Okay, so for this problem, it says an LED TV is on sale for 18% off. The original price was $800. What is the sale price? There's more than one way you can do this, and I'll show you the way that you'd probably be the most familiar with, which would be you have $800 is the cost, and you're going to take away 18% of that. So to figure out what 18% of 800 is, you say 800 times 18%, which the work in the parentheses, the calculator knows to do that first, and then it'll take that much off of the $800. So we're going to be like 800 take away 800 times 18%, close parentheses, and press enter. And we're going to pay $656. But if you're taking 18% off of something, that means you're actually only paying for 82% of something. So if you're paying for 82% of something, you could just say 800 times 82%. That will also give you your correct answer. They both gave us 656. So it's like, what do you prefer? What does your brain understand better? Thanks for watching.